The Tissot Gentleman Quartz model. It is a great watch. It's very beautiful, it's very simple. It is fully Swiss made and also has an extremely good quality. Now about the specs, we can see that it is a 40mm Swiss Quartz, sapphire glass domed anti-scratch, and the good thing that has also the EOL function that Tissot developed, which means that when the hands of the seconds start jumping seconds, it means that you have to change your battery. So it is this visual effect that reminds you that it's time to check your battery or to remove it. Looking at some details of this watch, you can see that what is really striking positively for me is its simplicity. But in being simple, it's also very, very elegant, very high quality, very precise. And it is a watch that you can wear basically with any outfit. It can be just a good companion for the everyday use. Whether you're gonna be very elegant, which I think this watch would be perfect, or also if you prefer to have to wear a sportive outfit or a very casual one. It is also waterproof, 10 bars, okay, so it's 100 meters. The T logo on the crown, and looking at the stainless steel case and its bracelet, we can admire the high quality of the finish. Beautiful butterfly lock with two side-by-side buttons to release the lock, and it's also very easy to change the bracelet just in case. It's 8mm thickness, so it's not very, it's very thin as a watch. So now this watch, you can buy it for around 300-400 euros. I've seen on internet a brand new offer, special offer for 300 euros, which is a very good price for such a high quality watch. So, you know, if you like it, I suggest you strongly to go and check it out. Get yourself this present for your collection, just as I did it 1 year ago. I'm very, very happy to have it. I hope you like this video. If you did, please put your like. This will help a lot this channel to grow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.